Hello everyone, my name is Sakode and today I'll show you how to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. So to start installing WinRAR on your Windows machine, you need to download WinRAR software from their website. This is their website. I've already installed it. So after downloading it, you click on install or double click on it to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. I'm double clicking to install on my Windows machine. Click run. Click yes. Start installing WinRAR on your Windows machine. Then you click install. Install it. The file is extracted from WinRAR software. Then you can choose the file associated with it. I hope this video was helpful. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and update anytime we upload